I'm Diana Steele and I'm here at Fresh Street Market in West Vancouver, and today I'm talking about raspberries. Our BC raspberry season has just begun and it will carry on through until September. And if you're growing them in your garden, you'll start to notice them starting to turn color shortly. Raspberries are a very nutritious fruit, and in fact, half a cup of raspberries contains 4 grams of fiber, which is one of the highest fiber containing fruit there is. There's also a lot of vitamin C and folate, but in particular, raspberries are very rich in some phytochemicals. One of them, ellagic acid, is a potent antioxidant, and another one is anthocyanin. Just like cranberries, has antibacterial properties and can help reduce the risk of urinary tract infections. And there's lutein, which is found in dark green vegetables, but lutein has been shown to reduce the risk of macular degeneration, which is the leading cause of blindness in the elderly. So tons of health benefits from these raspberries. Now they can come in all different sizes. These ones happen to be a bit bigger, so up to the size of about a grape, but you can also, especially on my plants, find little ones almost the size of a cherry pit. And all of them are very nutritious. The darker they are, the more antioxidants they have. And of course, if you can let them ripen until their peak ripeness, they'll have more nutrients as well. Once you've gotten them, especially if you're buying them in bulk when they're in season, it's a good idea to deal with them right away. So keep them refrigerated right when you get home, put them away, and then if you are planning on freezing them, do that right away. Now it may seem like a good idea to not wash them, but in fact you should wash your raspberries before you freeze them. Just rinse them under cool water, let them dry on a paper towel so it can absorb some of that water, and then transfer them to a cookie sheet and place them in a single layer in your deep freeze and let them freeze overnight. And then you can transfer them into a container like this and label it so that you make sure that you know when you put those in there, and try to eat them within 6 months. So raspberries, when you're buying them in the grocery store, just check and make sure that they're all dry fruit. If you look in your little container, move them around and make sure that there aren't any rotten ones in there. If you get them home, just check through them and make sure that if there are some soft ones that maybe were squished on the way home, eat those. And if there's any that have some mold on them, then just get rid of those, because that mold will spread very quickly to the rest of the berries. These berries are very fragile and they don't last a long time, so try to eat them within a couple of days of purchase. My favorite way of eating them is just as is, or on yogurt with some walnuts, but you can also use them, especially the frozen ones. They're a great thing to include all year round, in fact, because they're available all year round. And using frozen raspberries in your muffin mix is a really great thing, because it doesn't spread the color all throughout the muffin mix when they're frozen. You can also make pies and all sorts of fruit crumbles, but I love to make fruit coulis. So if you take your frozen berries or the fresh and you cook them in a pan, and you can add some different flavors. You can put some orange zest or maybe some rosemary and have it as a drizzle on top of grilled meats or fish. It can be a really delicious option. Also fruit salsas and of course your fruit salad. So many different ways to use your raspberries. Make them into popsicles. Go on to bcraspberries.com and check out all the recipes that are available on there to enjoy our beautiful BC raspberries.